These are my Ohuhu markers. I got them off Amazon, and I have 2 sets of 48 markers. These are the Ohuhu Honolulu brush and chisel tip marker sets. The one on the right is a darker set, while the one on the left is more of a pastel softy set. This episode will cover the pastel colors. This set comes with 2 color swatches, and you test your markers out in the boxes, and it matches up with the label on the marker and the one next to the box. For instance, this is light prawn, R120. I find it on the box, and you can see how the color looks on white paper. It also comes with this little booklet. It shows that the tips on the brushes are reversible if they get messed up. It also shows what comes in each version of markers, and how many markers are in each version. This page shows all the colors, and on the opposite page, shows all the colors in the complete set. Then it shows a little more about blending, and questions. Now I will show how each part works of the brush. The brush part is a medium-sized tip, the chisel tip is the thickest, and the pointed part of the chisel tip is the thinnest. If you do line art over the marker, it will not smudge, no matter what kind of line art pens you use. I'm using Master's Touch pens. But however, if you do line art, then the marker, it will smudge a little bit. The longer you wait after putting the marker line art down, the less of a chance it'll smudge when you put marker over it. Now, we test blending. I grabbed another 2 markers, and made sure they were different shades. Then I grabbed the blending brush and used it. As you can see, it didn't work that well. I manually fade each time with colored pencil, and use the marker as a base. Now we see if you can use colored pencil over it. I grabbed a darker brush, and a lighter one. I use an orange, and shaded just a little bit of the circle. As you can see the orange pretty well.